Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Fatima Afrin. So today I just completed adding some batik outline using the wax, melted wax, and already dried. So now I'm going to use this dye to color. So this one is red and this one is blue. If you know the color theory, you will get to know how to mix violet, how to get violet. So okay, I mixed them. So here I have my violet. Let me check this out. See the color. Okay, so this is not violet actually, a kind of blackcurrant color, you know. And I have water. So now I'm going to add some colors over here. Let's see how this works. This is cotton. Some cloths absorb the colors well, but this doesn't look like absorbing. Now I'm gonna add some water over here to blend it. Okay. The wax will never let the color bleed. Now again water. I'm trying out this using different cloth material, different types of fabric. So last time when I used 100% cotton, the colors blend beautifully. And this one doesn't seem like it will bleed a lot. So we can control the color. I think even though if we don't add the wax outline, we can control the color. See, it happens, the colors start to bleed, right? In some cloths it will bleed immediately, spread all over immediately, but this one seems like I give it a bit slow. So if we didn't add the wax outline, definitely the colors won't stay. And also if you didn't do the outline properly, the colors may bleed the sides as well. So we have to be very careful in adding those colors, the wax outline. Right now I'm just experimenting, so let's see how everything works. See how they are spreading everywhere? Okay, I'm done adding the petals. I'm just gonna add some little more darker color. This is a kind of purplish, sorry, not purplish, a kind of maroon, right? Maroon color. But I mixed blue and red. It seems like the amount of red is a bit more. Okay, I'm done adding the petals for this peony or rose, what you call this as. And now I'm going to add some yellow for these flowers, smaller flowers. I'm just gonna put some yellow. Here I have my yellow dye. Okay, let me add some yellow flowers. And for the background, I'm going to add some blue, maybe. Okay. Here also, yellow. Here also yellow. Okay, now I'm going to touch water, and I'm just gonna add it over here to get the lighter yellow in the border. The same way here. And also here. Okay, now I'm going to add the leaves. Okay, before that, let me add red for this flower. This is the red. Okay, I'm just gonna wash my brush and just gonna add the water drops here to get the lighter color. Okay, now for the center, again I'm going to add yellow over here. Okay, now I'm going to add the leaves. So to add the leaves, I'm just gonna mix two colors, one yellow and blue. So I'm gonna add a few drops of yellow in my palette and also a few drops of blue. Okay. So now I mix them together in my palette, and here is my color, green, right? So I'm just gonna apply this over here, one side with the green and the other half with some plain water. Okay, from the opposite side I'm just gradually going towards the center. Right, we got it. The same way here. For the half I added green, and for the other half I'm just adding plain water and going it towards the green side. Okay, the same way I'm gonna add the leaves over here. So one side this way, I mean up to the half, and for the other half I'm just gonna add some water alone. Now I wanna add a few drops of blue. Okay, I'm just gonna touch blue. I'm gonna add it over here, this side, to make the leaf looks a bit more darker. Again here, again here. Okay, there we will get the shadow. Also here, and also here maybe. Okay, right. So now I'm just gonna wash my brush and I'm just gonna apply the blue in the blank background. So I'm just gonna wash my brush and I'm touching blue. I'm just gonna apply this in the rest of the place. You can touch water here and there. I'm just touching the plain water over here. And now the thick paints. See, here I have some leakage, which means the wax is not used perfectly. The outline have some break. So again blue. Now I'm gonna touch water to fill this part. And again blue here, concentrated blue. Mistakes happen, never mind about that. Sometimes the paints may go inside the flowers also, but it's okay. Everything happens when you experiment things. Okay, now this side, I'm just turning the paper. And do not rush. Just relax and paint. I'm just gonna add some here. Carefully adding. Okay. Adding some water over here just to make it blend. I can add water. I just love the process. Okay, we're almost done. I made the outline using wax, that's why the colors didn't bleed over here. Okay, we're almost done. I'm just adding some light color water for light color. So we are done. We're done with this painting. See how beautifully it came out. And I'm gonna add very little touch of red. Okay. Over here, just a tap. See how the colors go naturally. Just one drop. Okay, and here to add some depth. That's all. Okay. So now, if you wish, you can add some yellow over here. Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try with yellow. Over here, maybe. Okay. See? You can experiment with by adding different shades of colors, but be careful when you use complementary colors. For example, if the flower is in pure violet shade, when you add yellow, you will get some kind of muddy effect. So according to where you're gonna add, choose the color wisely. Mistakes can happen when in progress, when we experiment, but it's okay, no problem, never mind. Just enjoy the progress. See how beautifully it turned out. I really love this. And the back side also, let me show you. See, this is how it looks in the back side. And this is the front. See, let me show you the closer look of this. See, here is the closer look of the painting, which I did right now. Within 20 minutes, we completed adding the colors. I just love this, guys. See, beautiful. I love this. Okay, guys, I hope you guys learned something from this video. Inshallah, I will see you in the next video. Until then, it's bye-bye from Fatima Afrin. Take care of you and bye-bye. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Okay, so bye.